Former North Bergen Department of Public Works Superintendent James Wiley was questioned in Hudson County Superior Court by the criminal defense team on who was the golden goose he was referring to in papers submitted to the State Attorney General's office.
And the header has to do with Commissioner Frank Gargiulo's civic association. Is that correct? And I assume that this is some information that you would want to be passing along with regard to Detective Brown on Frank Gargiulo. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And
Brian Deary, the lawyer representing North Bergen DPW Supervisor Troy Bonero, then referred to a memo Wiley faxed the State Attorney General's Office Detective Garrett Brown on March 19, 2014, regarding Commissioner Frank Gargiulo, the elected official that oversees the North Bergen Department of Public Works.
what did you write to Garrett Brown?
Gentlemen, he is ready to break if he forced the issue. He could break the township wide open.
So this is part of your cooperation, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is information that you're providing, just like Joe Clay provided on you, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, and this is all part of your effort, basically, to protect yourself. Is that right? For the sentence?
Yes.
This is all for a sentence, isn't that right? So you get less of a sentence.
It's my belief also is to turn around and provide useful information. I'm being proactive, and I also would like to see the corruption between government and the Department of Public Works.
This is the weak link. By pressure him to do what you do, this guy will cry. Providing the information, tell him to go. You're telling the investigator to go after Commissioner Gargiulo, is that right? Let's get down a little bit further. How about this? He will have diarrhea of the mouth. If you want the golden goose, he can make it happen. You wrote that, is that correct?
Yes. Frank Gargiulo.
Read the sentence.
Yeah, I know what you said.
Read
You
the sentence.
expected it in another way. Frank Gargiulo was the golden goose of DPW.
He will have diarrhea of the mouth. If you want the golden goose, he can make it happen. Right? So he has diarrhea. He has diarrhea. He has diarrhea. He will have diarrhea of the mouth. And if you want the golden goose, he can make it happen. That's a mistake. So the golden goose is Frank Gargiulo.
Paul Fogno, North Bergen Department of Public Works Supervisor Francis Longo's attorney in the case, found it hard to believe that Wiley was referring to Gargiulo in the aforementioned memo, asking point blank if he was really alluding to North Bergen Mayor / State Senator Nick Sacco.
He explained the theory that we said he'll have diarrhea in the mouth. If we want the golden goose, he can make it happen. Mr. Erie thought the language of it meant that someone was being referred to, other than Frank Gargiulo. But you said the golden goose is Frank Gargiulo, correct? And he said that you kind of were mistaken on how you wrote this, correct?
I didn't say that. It wasn't meant towards anyone else. It was meant towards Frank Gargiulo.
So it's your testimony, sir, that it wasn't meant that Mayor Sacco, State Senator Sacco, your 50-year friend, it wasn't meant that he's the golden goose, am I correct? You mean that?
You are absolutely correct.
You see what I said about that question? Are you protecting?
I'm sorry.
All right, no question. Well, are you protecting Mayor Sacco?
No.
Do you have any reason to protect Mayor Sacco?
No.
You have a whole bunch of people that are related to you that make money in the township of North Bergen, do they not? How many?
Your numbers on my family that I recall. Right to the township of North Bergen.
How many? Three? Okay, let's go through that quickly. Joel Wiley, your son, vice principal of the McKinley School, correct? North Bergen? By the way, would you agree that Sacco is a pretty powerful mayor? You agree with that, correct?
Yes, sir.
And nobody really could get a good position in North Bergen if the mayor didn't like that. You agree with that, correct?
No, I
you're not agreeing with that.
I'm John Heides with the Hudson County View, the eye of the community.